Hello, colleagues. Today, let's compare Terraform with other popular infrastructure as code tools, including CloudFormation, ARM templates, Google Deployment Manager, Ansible, Chef, Puppet, OpenTofu, Pulumi, etc., using real-life examples from my own experience. Before we continue, please support this channel. If this video helps you, like and subscribe. Your support helps me share more helpful content. First of all, AWS CloudFormation, Azure ARM, and Google Deployment Manager are excellent if your infrastructure is fully on one cloud platform. For example, if all your services are on AWS, CloudFormation integrates deeply with AWS resources, making management simple. But what if you work with multiple cloud providers like AWS and Azure together? Here, Terraform and OpenTofu becomes a bit stronger choice. Both use simple, clear code to manage resources across different clouds easily. Terraform has been widely trusted, but recent license changes made some users choose OpenTofu, which stays fully open source and avoids licensing problems. Next, let's look at Ansible, Chef, and Puppet. These tools manage server configuration, software installation, and setups well. For example, Ansible can quickly install and configure web servers on many machines at once. Sometimes, in my projects, we used only Ansible or Puppet for everything. Both infrastructure creation and configuration management was on the Ansible side. Was it good or bad? It depends. If your team has a lot of experience with these tools, it can work well. But it can also become complicated, especially if your infrastructure grows large and complex. In some projects with legacy applications, using just Ansible or Puppet made sense because infrastructure rarely changed. However, in dynamic, modern cloud environment, Terraform or OpenTofu combined with Ansible or Chef usually gives the best results. You use Terraform or OpenTofu for building cloud infrastructure, and Ansible or Chef to configure servers after they are built. What about Pulumi? Pulumi is a newer infrastructure as code tools that lets developers use familiar programming languages like Python, JavaScript, or Go to define infrastructure. This can be a great choice if your developers prefer coding over learning a new language. Pulumi is especially helpful for teams who already know these languages and want to use existing tools, like testing frameworks with the infrastructure code. Here, a simple guide. If you have single cloud solution, tools like CloudFormation, ARM, or Deployment Manager are best. If you have multi-cloud or hybrid solution, cloud-agnostic tools like Terraform or OpenTofu is ideal. If you need server configuration and software setup, tools like Ansible, Chef, and Puppet can help. If you're looking for developer-friendly coding with standard programming languages, Pulumi is a strong choice. Please remember, no tool is perfect for every project. You must always consider your team's skills, existing applications, and project requirements. Choosing the right infrastructure as code tool depends on your situation. Be flexible and truthful about your choices. I hope this helps you clearly see the strengths and ideal use cases for each tool and helps you choose exact tool which can help your project to be successful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.